Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can change two key batteries of a BMW X7, the newer model keys with a smart key and a normal key. And I'm going to show you I can change the battery of both the keys. Let's start with the smart key. First of all, you need to have a screwdriver available. Then if you look carefully, there is an opening over here. Just place the screwdriver over here, do the twist a bit for 90 degrees. Be careful, these are very expensive keys. On this side also, and it's open now. And this is the battery. I've changed it with a battery I ordered from AliExpress. It's about 20 euros. And I'm very happy with it, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Just use your screwdriver again to open this, and you'll see this over here, and just pull it out like this. Then have your other key, place it again, place it back, and just the cover again, place, and you'll see it will restart in English and then in the language you had before. You'll see perfectly working. I was very happy with it. Just order from AliExpress or Temu and you'll cover it. That was that one. Let's do this one. This is a bit easier. There is a button over here. Press it, hold it pressed, slide the mechanical key open, and then we're gonna use this area over here. I always use the key, hold it over there, turn it for about 90 degrees, and just use a screwdriver to replace the key, the battery of the key. This one is a CR2032. Use another spare one, place it, place the cover back. And then don't forget this key. Do the test and you'll see that's working perfectly. So these are two keys of the same car, X7, the newer type model, smart key and the normal key. And this was a tutorial on how to change the battery of both keys. I want to thank you for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.